exposing the truth in Govinda's recent accident and what it means for his fans. Renowned actor Govinda, aged 60, suffered a self-inflicted gunshot wound at his Juhu residence. This unfortunate incident happened while he was preparing for a trip to Kolkata. According to reports, the revolver accidentally discharged after falling from a cupboard. Govinda was immediately rushed to Criticare Hospital, where he underwent successful surgery to remove the bullet from under his knee. While his condition has stabilized, he'll remain in the ICU for a few more days, with a full recovery expected to take a month. In an emotional audio message from the hospital, Govinda expressed his gratitude for the overwhelming support from fans, attributing his survival to their prayers. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde also reached out, offering government support for his recovery. Stay tuned for more updates.